The banging sound that kept the hopes of families and rescuers alive in the search for the doomed Titan submersible has been revealed for the first time in chilling new audio. A desperate search for the sub was launched after it lost contact with its mothership and vanished during an expedition to the Titanic wreck on Sunday, June 18, 2023. After an agonizing wait for news, late into the second day of searching, reports emerged that banging noises were detected in 30-minute intervals, deep under the ocean. Played for the first time in a new documentary, the hollow sound has a regular, steady beat which caught the attention of experts, and sparked hopes that the noise could be SOS signals being made by the 5 men on board. It could be somebody knocking. The symmetry between those knockings is very unusual. Former Navy submarine captain Ryan Ramsey tells the documentary, "It's rhythmic. It's like somebody is making that sound, and the fact that it is repeated is really unusual." Now new documentary, which will be released to mark a year since the tragedy in June, will go behind the scenes of the multi-million-dollar search operation. Minute by minute, the Titan sub-disaster details the events leading up to Titan's ill-fated expedition to the Titanic wreck. The documentary, by ITN Productions for Channel 5, also asks what lessons can be learned from the disaster. It features the never-before-heard audio of the banging as well as expert opinion on what happened during the search mission that gripped the world. At the time, some experts warned against taking the sound as evidence of life. Many claimed that the noise was likely to be debris and junk from the iconic wreck.